Alright, there we go. My bad, guys. My bad. Don't know why, audio changed here. Okay. Should be good now. Should be good. My bad, guys. Don't know why audio wasn't working. Should be good now. Think it's working. Alright, let's redo that. What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Thursday, November 11th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Marvin? Appreciate you for being here, as always. Alright, so today we're doing the show from the stock exchange. Pretty sideways day. Dow Jones is down, but the Nasdaq and S&P are up. So, which, is kind of deceiving because there was a lot of price action today. A lot of earnings. Basically everything we're discussing today is going to be about earnings. It is earnings season. But yeah, got a great show for you guys today. I think crypto is up as well. I did not check in a while. I know Shiba's up. But yeah, overall, pretty sideways day. So today we're doing the show from the stock exchange. Got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today we have some news about Rivian and Tesla. These are honorable mentions. We're not going to do a full analysis on these today. But they were trending top 10 on StockTwits. So very quickly, we'll discuss those. Rivian and Tesla. Well, maybe not Tesla, but Elon specifically, not exactly Tesla. And today for the analysis, we'll be going over Wish, Paysafe, SOFI, Progenity, and Lordstown Motors, Ride. So pretty much all meme stocks today we're going over. They all had earnings. Wall Street Bets is going nuts expecting these earnings. Some were good, some were bad. We'll get to all of that. But yeah, we have earnings on Wish, Paysafe, SoFi, on Progenity, and Lordstown Motors did not have earnings, but we got some big news, so we'll discuss that. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. What's up, Low Roller? You got any crypto articles? No, not today. But I see you got some for me, so that's cool. Appreciate you, man. All right, let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. And yeah, this is very important, guys. Please like the video because right now I do believe I am shadow banned. I cannot confirm this, but for whatever reason, my videos are not getting any views lately. I usually get at least 50 views pretty easily. As of late, the live show and the videos I've been pumping out the videos again, haven't been getting very many views. And I suspect, I can't confirm, but I suspect that I said something that somebody didn't like, either about Jasmine or Loop Ring or Rivian. And I believe someone reported me and is actively disliking my stuff. So, again, just speculation, but this makes absolutely no sense why my videos are not getting out there anymore. So I do believe I pissed some people off by saying Jasmine or Loop Ring was going down, and they got nothing better to do, and they're trying to destroy my channel here. So, yeah, I would appreciate it if you guys hit the like button. That would really help me out. Eventually, the problem will fix itself. I believe I was shadow banned once before as well. So eventually, it'll fix itself. But I really don't know why my content is not getting out right now. That's all I can speculate. Post your link on Discord to promote the video. To where on Discord? In our Discord? Well, I mean, that's all right. Everyone in the Discord is pretty close. They pretty much already know that I'm live right now. You shouldn't have been talking smack about MMAT. I don't think it's MMAT because I've been talking hella shit about MMAT ever since it came out. I don't think it's MMAT. I think it's Jasmine, honestly. I think it's Jasmine, because when I did the video on Jasmine, a lot of people were unhappy. And I mean a lot of people, you know, like they took to the comments calling me uneducated, stupid, idiot, whatever. And, you know, it was at 35. I said it's going down, and it's at 20 now. I was right, and, you know. But, you know, that's one thing I'm never going to change, you know. I mean, you know, in general, I'm a rainbow bear, but I'm always realistic, you know. I'm never going to say something is going to moon. I'm never going to lie to you guys. I'm never going to say something is going to moon just because I want the views. I'm going to keep it 100 right here all the time. So, yeah, temporary setback, but, you know, I'll just keep pumping out the content, and eventually the problem will fix itself. But I do need the support from you guys. I do need those likes, so that I can get unshadow banned. All right, let's do it, guys. The metalheads are coming after you, are coming for you. Yeah, I mean, again, just speculation. I really can't prove anything, but this is very, very odd. You know, this does not happen. Like yesterday, I got 5 dislikes on the live show, 22 views, which is nothing. And then I got 5 dislikes, you know, and I was like, where the hell did these dislikes come from? I mean, I don't care if you dislike the video, that still promotes it, but I think someone reported me, that's the problem. So, yeah, you know, I can't prove anything, but I really think I pissed some people off, or an individual off, maybe a few people, and I think they reported me, and they're, like, actively trying to, you know, they got nothing better to do, and they're like disliking my videos and stuff and reporting me, but can't prove it, but, you know, it would really help me out if you guys like the video. All right, let's do it, guys. Yep, you were right. It's at 22. Yeah, I remember, they got pissed because I called Jasmine a meme coin, right? I called it a meme coin. And they were like, this is the fact that you called it a meme coin shows how stupid you are, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, all right, correction. It's not a meme coin. Sorry I offended you. It's a pump and dump. And then they got even more offended. And, yeah, I was right, you know? I was right. It came down to, like, under 20. It's at 22 now. It came back up a little bit. But, you know, like I said, I'm never gonna lie to you guys. They reported you as fake news. Yeah, maybe, or, like, inappropriate content or something. I really think I got reported. So, you know, I think I'm in time. YouTube put me in timeout right now. I'll probably be in timeout for, like, a week or something. A couple weeks. Hopefully not that long. But yeah, I really think I got reported, and YouTube is, like, censoring me as of this moment. So, yeah, that's unfortunate, but, you know, like I said, I'm keeping it 100 here. Never going to change anything about the show. All right. So, let's start off with the stock exchange today. So, we got the Dow Jones down 0.44%, the Nasdaq up 0.29%, and the S&P 500 up 0.06%. So, not bad at all. Let's give it some applause. See, what I realize, I forgot where I read this, but it's like, it's not what you say, it's how you make people feel. So, I think there is a way to say that something is going timber without hurting people's feelings. I just never really care. You know, I don't care about hurting people's feelings. But I do think, you know, people are a little butthurt that, you know, emotionally attached to their stocks and their crypto. I say it's going down, and they don't like it. But hey, you know, not many people on YouTube do this. Like, name me another channel that says stuff is going down. I really can't. Like, I can't. There's very few. I mean, I have seen channels that say things are going down, but none of them are popular. It's none of the popular YouTubers. You know, generally the popular YouTubers, they just scream moon, and everyone's like, yeah, and then at rug pulls it goes BitConnect. And then they just they cry together. But, you know, tough business. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. All right, let's check out what's going on today. So we got Ride, Lordstown Motors, up 23.92%, and we'll talk about this one today, 5th. That was one of the major runners, trending. SOFI, we're going to talk about this one 3rd today, up 12.49%. This had earnings. We got Fisker, which is a lesser-known EV company. That's up 10.91%. Interesting. Don't know why. Marathon, Riot are up. Marathon's up 9.02%. Riot's up 8.33%. So it looks like crypto exposure stocks doing good today. Charging stocks are up. Blink Charging, 8.16%. Plug Power, 8.11%. Big day for Groupon, 8.11%. Looks like all the EVs are up today. XPeng up 7.33%. Wish, 7.21%. Workhorse, 6.93%. NIO, 6.7%. So, yep, all the EV companies are up today. EV's doing really well. Sundial Growers, 6.26%. Bed Bath & Beyond, 5.92%. We have a YOLO about BBBY later. Big day for AMD, 4.39%. Very nice. GM, big day for GM, 4.3%. Microvision, 4%, 4.02%. Even Nikola's up 3.76%. Li Auto, 3.37%. Another EV company. Baidu, another one, 3.53%. Got CEI, 3.64%. Nvidia, 3.16%. Very nice. Peloton recovering, 3.21%. Remember, I told you guys to buy Peloton, not financial advice. But that's a good buying opportunity right now. $50. Very good price. AMC up 3.06%. Canopy Growth 3.05%. So yeah, it looks like cannabis is doing well. Yeah, Tilray 2.95%. Roblox is holding up pretty well. I thought it would come down, but yeah, it's holding up. Up another 3% today. GME 2.58%. Coinbase 2.37%. Alibaba 2.37%. Looks like China's doing well today. A lot of Chinese stocks are up. What else we got here? Palantir 2.09%. Ocugen 1.88%. So, meme's doing pretty well today. That's about it. But, yeah, looks like meme's doing well. Bitcoin exposure stocks doing well. EVs. Yeah, that's the main three. Memes, especially with the earnings. Crypto exposure and EVs and cannabis. All doing really well today. Let's check out the red side. So, actually, this is really not too bad on the red side. Only a few things are down here. So, yeah, the indexes are a bit deceiving. You would think today is sideways, but there's a lot of green here and not too much red. But I think most of the gains were by growth today. Growth and memes, not really blue chip, except for the tech stocks. NASDAQ is doing pretty well. But anyway, let's take a look at the red side here. We got Bumble getting wrecked. Yeah, yesterday I think this was down. I think earnings came out. Not good. Bumble getting wrecked, 19.25%. Beyond Meat, down 13.28%. We got some YOLOs about that later. And Progenity, we're going to talk about this one 4th today. Meme stock. That's down 11.93%. It had earnings. We'll get to that. Damn, Disney. The hell happened to Disney? This is real bad for Disney. Down 7%. I remember I had Disney at like $90 and I sold it at like 100. Clown on me. I had a lot of stuff. I had Snapchat at 22. I had Square at like less than 100. Disney at less than 100. So yeah, clown on me for all of that. Just need XOS to pop up big. XOS. Sounds familiar. Oops. It says earnings here. I think you talked about this one before, Marvin. This looks like a SPAC. But yeah, you know, pretty strong support here around 5. So this looks like a relative bottom. Hope that works out for you, dude. Yeah, you know, this looks like a pretty good buy here, I would say. Not financial advice. Make sure you view all the recent added coin and crypto. All right, man. Hard to believe with all this China FUD. Yeah. Well, you know, nothing makes sense anymore. What is stock market? What is crypto? What is money nowadays? Nothing makes sense, right? So anything goes nowadays. Nothing surprises me anymore. You got Disney put YOLO today. I saw that one. I don't think I added it to my list, but if you want, we can go over it. All right. Where was yeah, Disney down 7%, nasty. Virgin Galactic 4.89%, Naked down 4.96%. Damn. RIP to everyone who bought Naked. Yeah, that's why I didn't go for it. I was not buying it. But, you know, I hope that recovers. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing else was too bad. Match 2.79%. Fubo down another 1.85%. That was getting wrecked yesterday. Looks like cruise lines are down. PayPal's still going down 1.28%. Yep, not too bad, not too bad. And Tesla's down 0.42%, but got an article about Tesla or Elon. You know, Elon sold his shares. I just gave it away. But Elon did sell like $5 billion, I think, or something. A lot of shares. So that is holding up pretty well. But I don't think he sold them today. I think he sold them a couple days ago. Anyway, so, yeah, you know, pretty good day for the stock market, despite what the indexes say. This is a bit deceiving here. So, yeah, hope you guys made money in the stock market. If not, hope you guys didn't do too bad. All right, let's move on to some crypto now. 1 second. All right, so crypto is also pretty sideways here. Up 0.09%. But I do see a good amount of green. But yeah, you know, yesterday during the show live, it was getting pretty bad. I think Bitcoin got hit a 63K. It was kind of scary, but nice recovery here. Looks like a lot of people bought the dip. So we were at 69K Bitcoin. Now it's at 65K, but that's all right. Glad it didn't go timber. So let's start off with our poop coins, our meme coins. Pancake Games. Pancake Games? Like Squid Game? Okay, that's up 2,374%. Husky X. That's probably sounds like another dog coin. Husky X. Yeah, that's another dog coin. Soon there's gonna be every single type of dog. I saw Chihuahua. Now we got Husky. What's next? Should be Pomeranian coin. I think you would buy that one, Marvin. Yeah, Golden Retriever coin. This is gonna be every dog coin. There's Boxer Doge. Look, another dog coin there. Yeah, Husky X is up 1,040%. Angry Squid. Okay. That's up 466% today. I just realized I got the buttons wrong on my shirt here. Anyway. Okay. All right, what else we got here? BCS Win Bulls, don't know what that is. Green Ben. Micro Pets, that one's still going up, 121.73%. Nevada, this one's still going up, 11.3%. All right. So low roller has 3 articles. All right, we'll get to that. Micro pets trending again. Yep, for a couple of days now. Do you mind looking at IMX and TVK? Sure, dude. So let me finish with this. We can look at those and then get to low rollers articles. All right. On to the real stuff. So we got Bitcoin up 1.52%, around 65K. Ether up 4.59%, pushing 4,800 again. Binance 7%. Solana 6.23%. Cardano 4.88%. So a lot of green here. This is a bit deceiving. You know, the 0.3% would indicate that you know, everything is sideways, but there's a lot of green here, which is a good thing. XRP up 3.52%, Polkadot 9.21%, Doge. Oh, look, Doge is going up. Nice. I mean, it's still pulled back pretty hard from where it was, but Doge is up 9.83%. Sheep is going crazy right now. I was thinking about talking about sheep today, but I'm tired of talking about sheep, so that's back at 55. Yeah, a lot of green here. Terra 14%. Avalanche 11.65%. Litecoin 3.12%. Chainlink 9.18%. A lot of green. So yeah, very deceiving. Algorand 8.15%. Polygon 13.84%. VeChain about 10%. Let's sort it here. So, we got Mina up 25.49%. Horizon 20.63%. Zcash. Wow, Zcash. Haven't heard that one in a while. 18.62%. Sheeb 19.14%. Kadena 22%. Near Protocol 22%. Decentraland 22%. Yeah. Everything is pretty much green. This is yeah, very deceiving. But yeah, a lot of things in the double digits here. A lot of price action on the green side. It appears like 75% of the coins are in the green. And a lot of price action. But it's mostly led by the smaller cap coins. Not too many larger cap coins on here, except for Sheeb. Loopring still going up. Loopring is crazy. You know, I was wrong on Loopring. I said should probably not go long on that. And the thing keeps going up 210%. But, you know, it's all based on GME rumors. So, you know, this stuff is getting real dangerous. If those turn out to be fake, this thing is gonna rug so hard. So, yeah, very dangerous Loopring. Maybe people reported me for Loopring. I did say Loopring. I didn't even say it was gonna go down. I mean, I kind of did. I just said be careful because this is getting insane and people didn't like that. So, I'm just trying to help people out. Anyway, KuCoin, 9% here. Everything in the green. So yeah, great crypto day. Despite what this is up here. And on the red side, yeah, not bad at all. On the red side, worst thing is Live Peer, 10.26%. I don't see anything else in the double digits here in the red. So, yep, Bitcoin Gold. I remember this one. I dumped that one real quick. So yeah, you know, overall, great day to be a crypto bull. And yeah, the indexes in the stock market and crypto very deceiving today because both of them did pretty well. For the smaller cap stuff, at least. Look at the rest of the recent coins. Yeah, we'll get to that right now. I heard we hit 3 trillion market cap yesterday. Very briefly, I guess. Zcash all-time high is 4,500. Yeah, I had it back in 2017 at like 400, I think. So good thing I dumped that. I need second opinion on if I should take profit or not on TVK by the diff if it pulls back. All right, dude, we'll look at that right now. Verge making comeback. You got 100 million volume. That's good, but I dumped my Verge. Yeah, Boxer Doge, 87%. Here comes a fire truck. Gonna talk over it, guys. My bad. BCS Wind Bulls. Green Ben. This is another dog coin. Looks like a dog right here. It looks like a dog coin. Tipsy Santa. Okay. Inflation hedging coin. Inflation hedging coin. Interesting. Militia. Farmageddon. Lust coins. Kill switch. Fine Chibi. Enhanced Bitcoin. Probably nothing. Husky Inu. Husky Inu? Really? Okay. Fegzilla. Spidey Inu. Shin-Chan coin. Unamoon. BitShiba. Alright. Yeah. What was I looking at? IMX and TVK. Actually, I should look at that on TradingView. Not really. Yeah, let's look at that. Let's get to the articles. Well, let me pull it up on TradingView, actually. Not here. And then we'll get to the articles. I'm gonna mute real quick, guys. What was it? IMX. IMX. Alright. Is this right? That don't look right. Huh. I mean, there's not much to go off of. Let's actually go back to CoinMarketCap on this one. IMX. Alright, yearly. I mean, this one... I mean, it kind of looks like a cup and handle. You know, 657 is the high, and it looks like it's getting back to that. So this still has more upside potential, I would say. This looks like a hold right now. Don't really like looking at this from... I don't like reading this chart, but on TradingView it just doesn't have much info. Let's look at TVK. Alright, this is better. Alright, so this one... This kind of looks like a cup and handle here. RSI at 77. It does look bearish. Just my opinion, not financial advice, but it does look like a cup and handle. Maybe even a triple top, kind of. Yeah, it looks like it's hitting resistance here. And RSI is high, so I would say, yeah, you should take profit. Or sell it, but hey, that's just my opinion. Not financial advice. And with crypto, crypto is more unpredictable than stocks. So this could keep running, but just looking at the chart, this is starting to look bearish. Cup and handle and high RSI. So what is this at? Let's just call it 40. Bottom is like 17. 23, 12. I would say this should pull back to like 28-ish, 28 cents approximately to form the handle. So short term, I do expect it to pull back. So I would say, yeah, good time to take profit. Or it doesn't hurt to take profit. And on IMX, I mean, it's not much to go off here. But this kind of looks like it's topping out. Yeah, there's really nothing to go off here. I really can't comment on IMX. But TVK looks bearish right now. So I hope that answers your question, Marvin. It looks like it's going to pull back. So yeah, I would take profit and then buy the dip when it does. When it does. LRC last month was only 17 cents. If you put $1,000 last month, you have 30,000 today. It went up 30x. Last year was only 1 cent. I mean, yeah, but who would have known? People are only buying it because of the GME rumors, and like I said, very, very dangerous right now. It's way overbought. I mean, we could look at it. I have it right here. This is insane. But what if the GME rumors are false? What if it's totally false? Then this is gonna rug so hard. And right now RSI is at 90, 91, 92. This is insane. So I don't know why you would buy this right now. Like this is a straight up gambling if you want to buy this right now. Crazy. Okay. So what's next? All right, let's open some articles here. Miami to give Bitcoin yield from Miami Coin to its citizens. The hell is Miami Coin? Okay. Well, I do know this guy, Francis Suarez. Francis Suarez did say he wants to make Miami the Bitcoin capital of the world, apparently. Him and Eric Adams said that, Eric Adams is pushing it in New York City, which is good, but like we discussed this like last week. He can try, but this is a military state, and my man Chuck Schumer has all authority over that. He's the one that wrote the bill about banning Bitcoin in New York. I remember that in 2017. So hope that happens with Eric Adams, but his hands are kind of tied. But yeah, this guy Francis Suarez also said he's very pro Bitcoin. Miami Coin. I've never heard of Miami Coin. Who actually owns Miami Coin? But they're gonna give Bitcoin yield from the staking. So how much are they gonna get? 21 million? Really? 21 million. So 21 million. They're not going to get 21 million, but everyone's probably going to get a little bit of money here. It's probably not going to be much. You know, remember when Colorado had an excess of had excess money because they just sold so much weed and they had so much cannabis and they had all this extra income. They gave everyone in the state like $14 back. So probably something like that. You're probably not going to get too much, but that's pretty cool. Miami coin. Let's get an NYC coin. Why not? All right, what's this? These 14 and 9-year-old siblings earn $160,000 in 7 months mining cryptocurrency. Interesting. What are they mining? They mine Ether with Bitcoin and Ravencoin. Ether, Bitcoin, Ravencoin. So, Ravencoin's been mooning. And, yeah, Bitcoin and Ether. So, I'm just curious how they pay for electricity. But okay. I mean, yeah, young genius is here. Oh, he met Mark Cuban? They have around 100 computers, NVIDIA computers, and 50... Yeah, they got a bunch of computers here. Alright, well, yeah, young geniuses here. Good for them. They're going to be set for life. Alright, last one. Next generation of crypto millionaires. Sheeb allows warehouse manager to retire. $35-year-old supermarket warehouse manager invested $8,000 in the Sheeb. 800 billion tokens. Holy crap. Cashed out part of his holdings to deposit $500K. And he still has more than $1 million worth of crypto. So, yeah, everyone's getting rich on Sheeb except for me. Here, everyone, Dogecoin millionaires, Sheeb millionaires, and all these meme millionaires. So good for them. Good for them. Very happy. I need to hit one of these memes. Alright, so thanks for that, Low Roller. So let's get to my articles now. Got two. Alright, so for my articles today, we are going to talk about Rivian and Tesla. So honorable mentions didn't make the cut today for the analysis. But yeah, let's check it out. Shares of EV startup Rivian spike on second day of trading. Market cap surpasses GM. Ridiculous. Shares of electric vehicle startup Rivian continued to climb Thursday, one day after its public market debut. The Amazon and Ford-backed company already surpassed both Ford and General Motors by market cap. Amazon plans to use Rivian vehicles in its delivery fleet, having ordered 100,000 to be handed over by 2030. 2030? That's 9 years away, dude. Why didn't they just buy Teslas? Okay. Well, yeah, you know, I talked about Rivian yesterday. I think people didn't like that either, because I said you should probably stay away. This is a bit ridiculous, the valuation. Because, yeah, it is worth more than Ford and GM now. So, and they don't even have any deliveries yet. No revenue, no deliveries, and the valuation is crazy. So, you know, I'm just warning everyone, probably not going to end well. But today it's still going up. Amazing. Let's check it out real quick, actually. Yeah, so it's at 123 now. Yeah, this is nuts. So, you know, just warning everyone. Probably not going to end well, so I'd be careful with this. But, yep. Still mooning, and really driven by 8 momentum right now. So I think it's going to come down eventually, but for now it's still mooning. So we're not going to talk about Rivian today, but honorable mention. All right, and second article. Elon Musk sells around $5 billion of Tesla stock. His trust sold more than 3.5 million shares worth over $3.88 billion in a flurry of trades carried out Tuesday and Wednesday. Earlier Wednesday evening, filing showed Musk is selling a block. All right, Wednesday evening. Earlier Wednesday evening, filing showed Musk is selling a block of Tesla shares via a plan that he set in motion September 14th this year. September 14th, so he's been planning to sell for a while now. So I guess the whole Twitter thing was just FUD. Because if he was planning to do it all along since September, what was the point in doing the Twitter thing? You're just causing FUD. Anyway, so yeah. So he sold Tuesday and Wednesday, which is why, which is when Tesla tanked. So Tuesday was the big day. So this was because of Elon right here and his brother, I guess. Selling all these shares, Tesla tanks. Recovered yesterday. And today, but yep, that would explain all the price action. So he sold $5 billion of Tesla. I think he's going to sell around... He said he was going to sell 10, didn't he? But anyway. So he really did it. He really did it. So yeah, Tesla was also trading today. Not going to discuss it because not too much price action, but it is an honorable mention. So Elon Musk did go through with it. He's dumping his Tesla stock. And it's holding up pretty well. Rivian stock is a meme stock now. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, I wouldn't call it a meme stock just yet, but it is definitely driven by the ape momentum right now. So, everyone's trying to find the next Tesla. Everyone's going into Lucid, people like Lordstown Motors, Fisker, even Nikola. Now Rivian, so everyone is investing money into EVs, trying to hit the next Tesla. But there is no next Tesla. Like, Tesla is Tesla. Alright, guys. So that took a while, 45 minutes, but that's alright. So, yep, that's the news. That is stock market, that's crypto, and that is the news. So, now let's get into the analysis. Actually, let's check out the post-market action first, before we get to that. Not too much going on. Fun is going up. I don't know why, but fun is going up. Alright. So, yep, today we're going to do Wish, Paysafe, SOFI, Progenity, and Ride. So, let's start with Wish. And most of these are going to be earnings. Like the first four, Wish, Paysafe, SOFI, Progenity, they're all earnings plays. And then Ride is just an 8 play, I guess. Sorry, guys. Okay. So let's do it. Alright, here is WISH, Wish ContextLogic. This finishes at $5.47 today. That is up 7.25%. So, this is a meme stock. Was very popular a couple months ago. It has since sold off very significantly. Looks like it bottomed out at around 460. But a lot of apes like this stock and got wrecked and have been wrecked the past couple of months. But today, earnings came out and we do have news. So let's check it out. Well, first of all, we got a whole bunch of price downgrades. Credit Suisse lowers price target to 15. That's still pretty good. Stifel downgrades their price target to $5. I think there was one more. And the news is that the CEO is going to step down. CEO is resigning, so that's not good. All right, so what are the earnings? So the earnings, so EPS was 10 cents, which beat the. So EPS was negative 10 cents, which beat the estimate of negative 15 cents. And revenue was 368 million, which beat the estimate of 353.62 million. So actually, yeah, really good earnings, really good earnings. So the news about the CEO stepping down is not great PR, but great earnings. And that's probably why the stock went up so much today. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a gap down at around 950. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock should come back up to 950 eventually to fill that gap. This also looks like a cup and handle in the making. There are a lot of possible tops. The top could be 1060, 1420, $20, or $30. So what's important is that all of those possible tops are above the current price. So this would be a bullish indicator because that means the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 570 and 525. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 570, 615, 690, 765, 850, 915, 1010, 1060, 1120, 1185, 1285, 1350, 1425, 1545, 1650, 1750, 1860, 1990, 2110, 2230, 23, 2305, 2390, 2480, 2575, 2660, 2815, 2905, 3015, 3205, and then the high of 3285. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support are 525 and then the low of 460. So right now at this current price, 547, the channels to the upside. Channels to the upside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action if this goes to the upside. And to the downside, would be uncharted territory. So if this breaks 460 to the downside, that could get really, really bad. But it appears like there's very strong support at 460. RSI is currently at 51, so that is very average. So according to the RSI, this current price, 547, is around fair market value. And this did 88 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So just my opinion, not financial advice. This chart looks really, really bullish right now. Like I said, gap down at 950, cup and handle in the making. Really no bearish indicators, and we have neutral indicators in the, and we have a neutral indicator in the RSI. So the chart looks slightly bullish the chart looks bullish. This is near a relative low. Really can't go down too much further. This really shouldn't go below 460. There's some very strong support there. If it does, it'll be really bad, but I highly doubt it's going to go below 460. So yeah, therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I think that would be an excellent play. 547 is a very good entry. Can't really get too much lower. And if it does, then you can just average down. This should come back up to at least 950 and probably higher in the long term. It might take a while. This is not going to happen overnight, but as long as you're willing to hold for the long term, this does look like an excellent entry for going long. So I would support going long. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. There's really no reason to do that. Again, chart looks really bullish. The chart looks really bullish. Strong support at 460. This is already near an all-time low. So not too much downside potential, a lot of upside potential. Shorting here would be a high-risk, low-reward play. Not too smart. No reason to do that. So yeah, if you went short here, that probably you'd be asking for trouble. That'd be a really bad idea. So please don't short. I really don't see a reason why you would do that right now. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is WISH, Wish ContextLogic. All right, next one, Paysafe. Let me draw another one here. Okay, here is PSFE Paysafe. This finishes at $4.24, and that is down 41.68% today. So this is also a low-key meme stock. A couple months ago, the Wall Street Bets apes were all over this one. Haven't heard about it much since then. But today we have earnings, nasty pullback, and it was trending on stock twits, so we'll talk about it. So yeah, the reason why this tanked so much today was because of earnings. So let's check out the earnings. So the revenue was 353.6 million, which missed the estimate of 370.63 million. What is the EPS? And I'm not quite sure what the EPS was, but overall the market did not like the earnings, very bad earnings, and yeah, major sell-off today. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a gap down at around $10, so that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us this stock should come back up to $10 eventually to fill that gap. We have another gap down today at around $7.20. So again, bullish indicator. That is telling us the stock should come back up to $7.20 eventually to fill that gap. So double gap down. Okay. So right now this is sitting on the support of 425, which it finished at today. I think that's the low. And that is literally an all-time low. Disgusting. So no support to the downside, and if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 495, 685, 720, 760, 805, 830, 860, $9, 945, 980, 1010, 1045, 1080, 1110, 1145, 1195, 1240, 1290, 1350, 1405, 1445, 1490, 1541, 1540, 1605, 1655, 1695, 1745, 1775, 1850, and then the high of 1957. The RSI is currently at 21, so that is very oversold and very undervalued. And this did 256 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Alright guys, I think this one is pretty obvious. This is a clear buying opportunity here. This is literally the all-time low. Double gap down, low RSI. So very bullish indicators. No neutral or bearish indicators. So this may not be done pulling back this may not be done pulling back just yet. There still appears to be a little bit more room to go to the downside. But if you want to go long right here at 424, you know, this is literally the all-time low. So this is an excellent entry already. But there is still downside potential. So I would have no problems with you. I would have no problems with you guys buying in at 424, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down. Really shouldn't go down too much more from here. You know, eventually this should come back up to at least $10, probably more. Probably going to take a while, in all honesty, but as long as you're willing to hold, this looks like an excellent play to go long on. You should be able to make about 150% if you buy here and hold for the long term. So yeah, I support going long. Excellent play right now. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. There's absolutely no reason to do that. Again, very bullish looking, all-time low. I don't know why you would short here at the all-time low. Not too much downside potential, a lot of upside potential. So going short here would be a disaster. There's absolutely no reason to do that. Please don't go short here. That's a bad idea. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. Very disgusting, but just hang in there. Like I said, this looks like an excellent buying opportunity. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is PSFE Paysafe. All right, next one, SOFI. Cool. All right, here's SOFI, SOFI Technologies. This finishes at $22.97 today. That is up 12.49%. So, another meme stock. The apes really like this stock on Wall Street Bets and Stock Twits. So, again, we have earnings. Let's check it out. All right, so the EPS was negative 5 cents, which beat the estimate of negative 14 cents. And sales were $1 billion, which beat the estimate of $979.6 million. So really good earnings here. They crushed it. So yeah, great earnings. The apes loved it. The institutions loved it. And the stock is up 12.5% today. Very nice. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a gap up at 2180. So that would be a bearish indicator. That is telling us the stock should come back down to 2180 eventually to fill that gap. Probably going to be in the short term. This also looks like a complete cup here. Top of the cup being 24.25. Top of the cup being 24.30. And it appears like, draw another one here. And it appears like the bottom of the cup is 13.75. So that would be a bearish indicator because that is telling us the stock should pull back halfway to form the handle. So just some quick math. Yeah, let's do some quick math here. So just some quick math off the top of my head. Halfway between 24.30 and 13.75 would be around $19. So I do think this should pull back to around 19 to form the handle, consolidate for a little bit, and then eventually break out again. But yeah, that's currently a bearish indicator. Okay. So right now this is sitting on the support of 23, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 23.85, 24.30, 25.05, 26.05, and then the high of 28.26. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 22.40, 21.95, 21.20, 20.50, 19.75, 19.05, 18.50, 17.95, 17.20, 16.55, 16.05, 15.50, 15.25, 14.85, 14.40, 14, 13.75, 13.10, 12.55, $12, 11.35, $11, and then the low of 10.45. The RSI is currently at 62, so a little bit above average, but nothing to be concerned about. And this did 72 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Actually, the biggest volume day ever for the stock. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So yeah, great earnings. Great day for the stock today. Unfortunately, this chart does look bearish in the short term. Like I said, gap up at 2180, and it looks like the cup complete here, and the next step would be to form the handle. And like I said before, this should pull back to around 19 to form the handle, consolidate, and eventually break out again. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. It's probably going to pull back in the short term. So if you were to go long here, you're probably going to end up holding some bags. So I don't think 23 is a good price to go long on. I don't think 23 is a great entry. I would say hold off to 19. Please set your buy orders to 19. It should pull back there. And if it goes lower than that, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Yeah, 23 not a great entry. 19 is a good entry. So I support going long at 19 and lower. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice. Again, looks very bearish. Should pull back to 19. So I would support going short here at 23. That would be around a 20% downside to 19. So pretty decent play. Good amount of tendies to be made. Not the most, but it's a relatively safe play. Going short would be a low risk, medium reward play, I would say. So again, not the most money in the world, not the most tendies in the world, but fairly easy short here. Not financial advice. So I would support going short at 23, but please just cover at 19. It may go lower than that, but I think 19 would be a great exit for going short. So yeah, going short looks like a pretty decent play. I would support it. Again, please cover at 19. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. But like I said, looks bearish in the short term. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SOFI Technologies. All right, PROG. This kind of looks like a cup and handle here. 466. Interesting. Okay, here is PROG Progenity. This finishes at $3.10 today. That is down 11.93%. So yet again, another meme stock. This one has been popular very recently. This started to gain momentum back in October last month, and it went 4x in a month, so very impressive. So this one also had earnings, so let's take a look at that. Let's check it out. So EPS was negative 46 cents, which missed the estimate of negative 45 cents. So barely missed. And what's the revenue? What's the revenue? The revenue was $182,000. So I'm not sure if that beat or missed the estimate. But that's really not too much. $182,000. Not very impressive. There's also some minor news. There is a new CEO. But yeah, overall, the market seems like the market was not impressed by the earnings, and that is why the stock is down 11.93% today. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So this does appear like a complete cup at around $4. So the top would be $4 and the bottom would be 65 cents. Is this a gap? Ooh, what did I just do? Yeah, that's not a gap. So just some quick math. If this is in fact a complete cup, then this should pull back to around 260. Excuse me. This should pull back to around 270 to complete the handle. So that would currently be a bearish indicator. Again, because this should pull back to form the handle here. And 270 is about halfway between 4 and 65 cents. So complete cup, handle should form soon, bearish indicator. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 320 and 290. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 320, 340, 360, 380, $4, 425, 455, $4.75, $5, $5.20, $5.35, $5.50, $5.75, $5.95, $6.10, $6.30, $6.45, $6.85, $7.30, and then the high of $7.80. And there is resistance above that, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 290, 260, 235, 220, 195, 175, 145, 120, 110, $1, 85 cents, 75 cents, and then the low of 66 cents. So right now at this current price, 310, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 645 to the upside, the channel starts to open and get real wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 645. The RSI is currently at 53, so that is very average. So according to the RSI, this current price of 310 is around fair market value, and this did 23 million in volume today. Significant volume, so this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so there's really not too much to go off of for this chart, except for the cup and handle. So like I said, that is currently bearish, and I'm predicting this should pull back to around 270 to complete the handle. And then it should consolidate around 270 for a while, and then eventually break out again. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, should pull back to... Again, it should pull back to 270. Oh my god. Again, this should pull back to around 270. So I don't think 310 is a good entry to go long, but I would support going long at 270. I would actually set my buy orders. I would actually set my buy orders to around 260 because there is no support at 270, but there is one at 260. So, yeah, I would support my buy order. So yeah, I would set my buy orders at 260 if you want to go long. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems like a pretty decent play. From 310 to 260, that would be around a 15 to 20% downside. Not the most tendies in the world, but a decent amount. I would say going short is a medium risk, medium reward play. Worth a shot. Not the best play, but you should be able to make 15 to 20% on the downside. So I would support. So I'm not loving the play, but I would support going short. Just please cover around 270 or 260. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is PROG Progenity. Here's Disney YOLO. Alright, dude. We got one more ride, and then we'll get to the YOLOs. Okay, here is RIDE, Ride, Lordstown Motors. This finishes at $6.89 today. That is up 23.92%. So, we're talking about another meme stock here. This has been a meme stock for a while. The apes really like this one. It's been selling off. Had some very bad PR along the way, but the apes still believe in this one. Did this have earnings? I think this had earnings today. It's selling off, actually. So we do have news and earnings on this one. And earnings just came out, so let's check it out. So let's start with the news. First of all, the company is hiring a bunch of new executives. They're hiring a new president, a new senior vice president of operations, a new executive vice president, chief commercial officer, and then some other news. Lordstown and Foxconn agree. Lordstown agrees to sell their Ohio plant to Foxconn, and it appears like they're going to partner up to develop new vehicles. This is kind of old news. There was talk about this before, but I guess it's official now. So that was bullish news. The apes like that news. But the earnings just came out at 4 o'clock, not too long ago. And it appears like the market does not like it because the stock is selling off right now. It's at 620 in the aftermarket here. So let's check out the earnings. So EPS was negative 54 cents. So EPS was negative 54 cents, which beat the estimate of negative 59 cents. What's the revenue? And I don't think there's any revenue because they haven't delivered anything, because they haven't delivered any vehicles yet. It says the net loss for Q3 was 96 million. So yeah, disappointing earnings. I mean, I don't really know what anyone else would I don't really know what you guys expected. But yeah, earnings just came out, EPS missed, and it appears like the market is not happy with that. Stock is selling off right now. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, there's a gap up at around 585. So that is a bearish indicator. That is telling us the stock should pull back to 585 eventually to fill that gap. Probably going to happen in the short term. There's also a gap down way back at 2265. So that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us this stock should come back up to 2265 eventually to fill that gap. Now that's probably going to be a while, but very interesting, very noteworthy. So eventually this should come back up to 2265. Don't know how long it's going to be, but probably going to take a while. This also looks like a possible cup and handle. There are many possible tops. Yeah. Yeah, this also looks like a cup and handle. Top of the cup being 880, and the bottom being 465, which is the low. So that would be a bullish indicator that is telling us the stock should come back up to 880 to fill the top of this cup. That's probably going to happen in the shorter term. Okay. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 695 and 635. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 695, 745, 805, 880, 970, 1040, $11, 1180, 1245, 1355, 1475, 1620, 1725, 1855, 20, $20, 2150, 2265, 2340, 2465, 2585, 2695, 2850, 2945, 3090, and then the high of 3157. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 635, 580, 525, and then the low of 470. So right now at this current price, 689, the channels to the upside and the downside are decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 1245 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get real wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 1245. RSI is currently at 67, so not quite overbought and overvalued, but quickly approaching that. So be careful, guys, although it should be pulling back now in the aftermarket. And this did 57 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so just my opinion, not financial advice. I really don't like this stock. I don't like the fundamentals. I don't like the PR that's been getting released about this company. It does not seem like they have their stuff together. Seems like they're a mess right now. But we're just gonna go off the chart here. I would say in the short term, it looks bearish. Should pull back to 585 to fill the gap, like I said before. But longer term, this does look bullish. It really can't go too much lower. And again, we have the cup and handle and the gap down at 2265. So, yeah, short term looks bearish. Longer term looks bullish. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do it just yet. I don't think 690 is a good entry. But if it pulls back to 585 to fill the gap, then I think you should load up. I think 585 is an excellent entry. And if it pulls back below that, then you can just average down. At 525 and 470. Really shouldn't go lower than 470. That is the all-time low. Very strong support there. So I don't think 690 is a great entry, but I would support going long at 585 or lower. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. I mean, you can probably make some money, very little though. This is already near a relative low. Really can't go too much lower. Not too much downside potential. Very strong support at 470. And I really don't think it's going to go too much lower than 585 once it fills the gap. So, yeah, going short would be a high risk, low reward play. Not too much money to be made to the downside, and you're putting yourself at a lot of risk of getting squeezed out to the upside. So it just doesn't really make sense. Doesn't seem too smart. So I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Please don't short this, guys. Maybe if it comes back up to 880, you can make the argument for going short, but definitely not a good idea at this current price. 690, actually 615 here in the aftermarket. So yeah, I would not support going short, guys. Don't think that's a good idea. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but doesn't look great in the short term. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is RIDE, Ride Lordstown Motors. All right. A lot of talking, but we're over. That actually didn't take too long. I just feel like I talked a lot. But we got through that pretty quickly. And yeah, that's all the analysis, guys. Let's get to the Yolos now. Here at Disney YOLO, I found the Squid Game coin reaction on Twitch on YouTube. Alright, we'll get to that after we get through with the Yolos. So 1 second, guys. Let me pull this up. Alright, we are getting some aftermarket action here. MITQ is up 40%. Don't know what's going on there. But that is the major runner. Let's check it out. MITQ. Moving Image Technologies. Looks like a spec. But it's mooning right now. What's going on? Earnings. Good earnings. Okay. Yep, good earnings. Up 40%. So let me just take a drink here, and we'll get started. Alright guys, this shouldn't take too long. Only got 5 YOLOs today. We got a SOFI YOLO, GM YOLO, Bed Bath & Beyond YOLO, and 2 Beyond Meat YOLOs. So it should be fun. Shouldn't take too long. Let's do it, guys. This first one is by San Francisco Robo. They say up $667,000 on my SOFI options. Get on board now. Going to go way higher. Yeah, I don't know about that, dude, but let's take a look. So, we don't, not really leaps here, but, we got, doesn't even say how many. Oh, it does. So we have a bunch of calls here expiring January 21st, 2022. So a little more than 2 months out. We have 1,090 calls for the $20 strike and 2,255 calls for the $30 strike. All right. So this appears to be around a $200,000 YOLO, a little bit more. And yeah, right now he's up $670,000. Excuse me. And right now he's up $667,000. Yeah, he's up 394% on the $20 calls and 236% on the $30 calls. Let's check out SOFI. Okay, so we just discussed SOFI earlier in the show. If you guys recall, I said it's probably going to pull back to 19. So, I mean, it's just my opinion, not financial advice. I could be wrong. But if it does pull back to 19, these are going to be out of the money. So quite honestly, I would just cut it right now. At least cut the cost basis, I would say. Personally, I cut everything because I think it's going back to 19. And that'd be, that would be pretty bad. You're going to lose a lot of money there. If anything, cut the $30 calls. I don't think those are that great, actually. Pretty amazing it's up so much, considering it's way out of the money. So I would cut the $30 calls, and I would cut the $20 calls too, but please at least cut the cost basis. Cut at least 200K here. At that point, you'd be playing on house money, and the worst that can happen is you break even. So, yeah, you can either... I definitely would not just let these ride. I would take something off the table. Either everything or the cost basis. Personally, I'd take everything. So, San Francisco Robo, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you so far. Great content. The plays themselves, pretty good, dude. I like them. I like the $20 strikes. I like the expirations. Not loving the $30 strike, but hey, you're up 236% right there. Amazing. Pretty lucky, if you ask me. So at this point, I do think SoFi is bearish. I do think it's coming down below 20. So personally, I just cut it all. But if you're not going to do that, please at least cut the cost basis. Cut 200K, so you're not going to lose money. But I do think cutting everything is probably the better play. These might be the most these contracts are worth. But no matter what you do, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. Congrats to you, and good luck. Alright, this one is by El Junbo 809. They say GM to the moon. 3,500%. Alright, so here we got 25 calls for GM. $40 strike expiring January 21st, 2022. This appears to be a $1,500 YOLO. And right now he's up $53,000, up 3,530%. Okay. So, this isn't a leaps anymore, but this does appear like it was a leaps. Don't know when he bought these, but I'm assuming he bought these way in advance because this gain is insane. $1,500 to $53,000. That is insane. So yeah, very well done. I like the play a lot. Great strike, great expiration, and great timing all around. Very well done. This is not an A play. This was very well planned. Very well executed. So nothing bad to say about the play. Really, really like it. Congrats there. GM. $62. Alright, so GM's currently at 62. This is way in the money. 20-something dollars in the money. So there really should be no reason why this pulls back to 40 within 2 months here. So honestly, at this point, you can just let it ride. This should finish in the money, very in the money, and this does have the potential to keep going. So, I would say either cut the cost basis, let it ride here, or just let it ride. I mean, you should cut the cost basis. It's only $1,500. You're way, you've like 35 times that already. So, no hurt in cutting the cost basis. But yeah, at this point, you should be okay, just letting it ride. So I'd support letting it ride. Very well done. Nothing bad to say about this play, and it should expire way in the money. So, El Junbo 809, congrats to you. Great content. Not over yet, but there should be no reason why this goes out of the money, unless something ridiculous happens. So yeah, great play. Great strike, great expiration, great great timing. Very well done. Nothing bad to say about the play. Excellent play. And yeah, as of right now, you can just let it ride, dude. You're up a lot, and you have the potential to make a lot more. So, great play. All you got to do is wait for this to expire, and you're good, dude. So yeah, congrats. Good luck to you, and please post updates. Alright, this one is by Lil Dick Throbbin. So definitely reviewed this guy before. He's back. He says Bed Bath Bed Bath and Beyond in emojis. So we do have shares here, but we're not going to discuss that. Because we're apes, we discuss options. So not sure how many options he has here. But we got calls for the 27 strike expiring February 18th. Not sure what the cost basis is. But right now it's worth $171,000, up 1,500%. I guess I can do some math on what the cost basis is. 171,000. It appears to be a $11,500 YOLO, approximately. So $11,500 YOLO, now worth $171, 1,500% gain. Incredible gain here. 27. Okay, so for this one, I'm not really loving the play, to be honest. Strike is way out there. Expiration is fine, I guess. I probably would have went with a little further, but it's okay. But great timing. So overall, decent play, decent play. It's working out here so far. Now, Bed Bath & Beyond is at 23, so this isn't even in the money, and he's up 1,500%, so that's crazy. And there is a gap at 17. It's probably coming back down to 17. So, quite honestly, I would just cut it right here. You got to be happy with 1,500%. Not even in the money. And it's probably coming back down to 17. So, I just cut it here. I think it'd be a mistake holding. If you hold, you probably... there's a good chance you're going to lose a lot of money. Possibly even everything. So, I think you're quite lucky to even be in this position. Don't be too greedy. Just cash it out, secure the tendies, enjoy it, move on. If you hold, it's probably going to zero. It's probably going to zero. So, Lil Dick Throbbin, thanks for posting. Congrats to you so far. Not over yet. But yeah, dude, the play, not my favorite, but with a little bit of luck, you can print some fat tendies here, which you did. So as of right now, this is pretty out of the money, and the chart looks pretty bearish, so I would cut everything here. I don't even think there's another play. I mean, you could cut the cost basis and let it ride, but I think overwhelmingly the obvious play is to cut everything here. 1,500%, still out of the money, very bearish looking. You got lucky, dude. Cash it out. Enjoy. Don't get greedy. So, yeah, congrats to you. I hope you sell. Good luck to you. And no matter what, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. Alright, 2 more. I guess 4 more, but 2 more for me. This one's by Orca Bull. They say gain corn with a P from yesterday. From yesterday's DD about Beyond Meat. So we got puts here. 60 puts. Expiring November 12th. Tomorrow. Super FD. $90 strike. So this appears to be a $15,000 YOLO. And right now he's up about $60,000. So a 300% gain. Insane gain here. Let's look at Beyond Meat. 90. Alright, so this was pretty ballsy. Very risky play. I would not recommend you guys do this. You know, not the greatest strike. Not a good expiration, but well timed. Yeah, this is a super FD. You really can't get too much more FD than this. And it worked out. But this is not typical. Don't expect results like this, guys. This is not typical at all. So I don't like the strike. I don't like the expiration, but great timing. So, decent play, I guess. Not great, but decent. You got lucky, and it worked out. So at this point, Beyond Meat's at 82. 1 day to go till expiration. This really shouldn't go above 90. But, you know, just to be safe, I would just cut it anyway. Up 300% in what, a day? That's insane. Fat tendies here. Shouldn't go out of the money, but you never know. Crazier stuff has happened, so be safe, dude. Be happy with $60,000, 300% gain. Just cut it. Just cut it. So no shenanigans can happen right here. And I really think that's the only play. So, Orca Bull, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Very entertaining. Very risky stuff here. But I love it. True Wall Street Bets fashion. True Wall Street Bets content. Great content. Appreciate it. Let's be real. Not really the greatest play, but great timing. And with a little bit of luck, you're printing here. So at this point, you really shouldn't be in danger of losing your money, but you never know. So just to be safe, please cut it, dude. Just cut it tomorrow morning, no matter what. So yeah, congrats to you. And good luck to you in the future. Alright, last one. By HMPF84. So I definitely reviewed this guy before. Sounds familiar. They say, F off vegans. Alright. So, got to do some math here. All over the place. But, got a bunch of puts for November 19th. Got 197 puts for the $90 strike. And how much is this? 54, 74, 80. All right, we got 111 puts for the 100 strike. 197 puts for the 90 strike. 111 puts for the 100 strike. So let's see here. Let me do the math real quick. All right, so I'm not sure what the cost basis was, but he's up $161,000. All right, so we got 1 week till expiration. Beyond Meat's at 82. So these are pretty in the money. There really shouldn't be any reason why these go out of the money. The 100 put should be fine. The $90 put should be fine also, but yeah, you never know. Personally, I just cut it all here. You got a week to go. And, you know, crazier things have happened. This might go up again. So, yeah, I think this one is pretty obvious. You got to be happy with $160,000. Very fat tendies. Very risky play. Also, I didn't say that, but very risky plays. No, I guess it wasn't too bad. The $100 puts I can support. The $90 puts is a bit more risky, but yeah, kind of risky here, and it worked out. So at this point, I would just cut it all. You got a week to go. Don't really know how much more you want. Just be safe, dude. Secure the gains. Probably not gonna make too much more anyway. So, yeah, I just cut it here. No reason to risk this anymore. He said he sold. Jesus Christ, this dude is mad. Look at his Reddit post history. Yep, I reviewed this guy before. HMPF84. He is mad. That's why we love him on Wall Street Bets. He said he sold. I don't see it here. But hey, if he sold, good, good idea. That's the right thing to do. That's what I'm suggesting. He should sell. So yeah, HMPF84. Thanks for posting again. Appreciate you, dude. Yes, you are in fact a madman, and pretty risky play here. Paid off at this point. Really no reason why to keep on holding this for another week. Just sell it, dude. Unload it. Secure the gains. $160,000. Fat gains. Enjoy, dude. So thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Risky stuff, but it paid off. Great content. And good luck to you in the future, man. Hope to hear from you again. I'm sure I will. You are a Wall Street Bets legend at this point. So good luck to you, and please post updates. All right. So we'll do this one by low roller, and we'll do the video, and let's get out of here. All right, by Irakin26. Oops, I bought Disney puts at about 3 minutes to close yesterday, and they made money. Sorry. Sorry for what? So yeah, super FD here. So this was literally, you can't get too much more FD than this. Disney 44 puts, 165 strike expiring November 12th, so tomorrow. Why the screenshots had sold? I don't know, dude. I don't know if he sold. He didn't say he did, but he definitely should. Probably did, actually. 162. Alright, so yeah, this was... Don't do this, guys. This is extremely risky. Not a great strike. Not a great expiration. Not bad, but very, very risky. He got extremely lucky here. This was just timed very well. So, yeah, this was a $5,000 YOLO, and right now he's up 500%, 497%. And I think this is obvious. You have to sell here. Disney's at 162, just barely in the money. So, tomorrow this can go back over 165, and there goes all your gains. So, yeah, I think this is really, really obvious. Sell it, dude. Tomorrow, if you didn't sell it already, sell it tomorrow morning. You only play here. Can't do anything else. So, yeah. Irakin26, thanks for posting. Great content, very entertaining. Very, very risky stuff. Please don't do this, guys, unless you can afford to lose the money. But yeah, paid off real big. So at this point, only one play. That is to cut tomorrow if you did not already. So, yeah, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Please sell. Good luck to you, and please post updates. All right. So, give me 1 second here. Got this YouTube video. Hope it's not too long. Oh, I saw this. I saw this. Yeah, I saw this, but we can watch it. I know what this is. Yeah, this one kind of viral, I think. Yeah, this literally went to 0. Live rug pull. I don't know if he was invested in it or what, but yeah, let's play it.
Amount of coins that are locked, staked, whatever the fuck's going on, that would be the fully. But obviously the real one is not. So the market cap is $2.168 trillion. And now,
first of all, look at this guy. He is tatted. He is tatted up. Ain't no way this guy's getting a job in corporate America. That's alright, I guess he's rich from crypto. Like, he's a teardrop and everything. Alright.
now the mark. Oh! Oh! It went to 0! Yeah! Oh! Damn! There we go. Squid Games. Sayonara, motherfucker. Oh, good lord. Holy shit. You seen it live, baby. You seen it live. A goddamn rug pull, baby. Shit. A live.
I love how he's taking it in good sport. I mean, he's probably rich. He probably doesn't care that much, but yeah. He's taking it in really good sport here. He's laughing at him. So you gotta have a sense of humor, you know, when you do this stuff.
Rugging. Wow. Wow. Holy fucking moly, man. That is a live rug pull. What the fuck happened here? What happened here, dude?
Yep. Well. Yeah, I saw that already. But, yeah, I think that went viral. So, good stuff, good stuff. Alright, guys. Yep, that's it. That's the show. So, we went 2 hours. Good stuff. MITQ is pulling back. Unless the guy put life-saving on Squid Game coin. I don't think so. I don't think so. He wouldn't be laughing like that if he did. But yeah, guys. That is the show for today. So, it was a pretty decent show. Not too many people in here. Only, you know, it was only Low Roller and Marvin in here. So, yeah, appreciate you guys. You know, you guys are real loyal. Always appreciate you guys. And, yeah, you know, it wasn't a bad show. Just not many people in here today. Like I said, I think I'm shadow banned right now. I can't confirm. But, my videos are really not getting promoted. Oh, Busybone just came in. Yeah, what's up, Busy? Appreciate you, man. But we're done. We just finished the show. So, but thanks for popping in, dude. If you want me to look at a chart or something, or if you want to say something, feel free. We could chat for a little bit. We could chill. But, yeah, you know, I do think... Oh, Marvin's still here. All right, I thought he left, because, yeah, he didn't say anything, so I thought Marvin left. But, yeah, thanks for sticking around, dude. And, what's up, Busybone? Kyle Rittenhouse trial. Watching it all week. Yeah, I did... I was briefly... I looked into it. It looks like he's going to be not guilty. It looks like the prosecution shot themselves in the foot, pretty much. I was watching it. The guy didn't even need a defense. The prosecution... I saw the judge yelled at... The judge yelled at the prosecutor because he wasn't supposed to bring in, like, evidence from beforehand. And the judge was like, you're an experienced attorney, experienced trial lawyer. Obviously, you're going for a mistrial. So that appears to be what they're going for right now. It looks like this guy's going to get off not guilty. And the only move the prosecution can really do right now is just go for a mistrial and try again. But it's really not looking good for them. Looking good for Kyle Rittenhouse. Don't want to get political, you know, but it... I think everyone agrees he's probably going to get off not guilty. So, we'll have to see how that goes. What was the Paysafe rundown? I think I said to buy the dip. Yep. Going to zero, not zero, but I said it does look bullish. This is a good buying opportunity. That's what I said. You know, RSI is at 21. Gap down at $10. Gap down at 720. So it's probably going to keep pulling back in the short term, but probably going to catch some support pretty soon. But yeah, this is literally an all-time low. Can't go too much lower. Very undervalued, very oversold. So yeah, I said this looks like a great buying opportunity. You can buy in here at 425. And if it goes lower, then you can just average down. But it really shouldn't go too much lower. And yeah, this looks like a good buying opportunity. This should come back to 10 eventually, at least. So, you know, if you buy in here, you should be able to make 150% as long as you're willing to hold. So, yeah, this is nasty. But, you know, as a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. Great example right here. Oh, I'm not even putting the... My bad. My bad. Yep. Here's the chart. So, gap down at 10, gap down at 720. RSI 21, very undervalued, very oversold. So, looks like a great buying opportunity. Not financial advice. I would load up here. So, I hope that answers your question. Marvin, I had a call. Call on what? Paysafe? I hope not. But yeah, that is the show, guys. And Busy Bone, could you please hit the like button? I would appreciate that. Because like I was saying, I really need the support from you guys right now. I need those likes. Because I do believe I'm shadow banned at the moment. I cannot confirm, and I don't know why. I mean, I kind of suspect I know why. So I can't confirm I'm shadow banned, but... Oh, phone call. Alright, got you, dude. Yeah, thanks for sticking around. I thought you were gone, so appreciate you. So, yeah, appreciate that, Busy Bone. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm shadow banned right now, because my stuff is not getting out there. YouTube is not promoting me right now, because I'm pumping out the videos. I'm getting, like, 10 views a video. I usually get at least 50, easily. So I'm not getting promoted. The show is not getting promoted. I do believe I pissed some people off, probably either with Jasmine or, Loop Ring or Rivian. I said they're all going down. I think it was Jasmine because people disliked it when I talked about Loop Ring, but Jasmine, like, I think there's an army behind Jasmine army, because, you know, I said it's going down, and then everyone's calling me an idiot, calling me uneducated, don't know what I'm talking about, and then lo and behold, goes from 35 to 20, right? So, clown on them. Clown on them. So, you know, like I said, I'm never gonna lie to you guys. People don't say things are gonna go down. I'm not gonna scream, it's gonna moon. I'm gonna tell you the truth. It's going down. And then people don't like that. And they dislike me and report me. It's so ridiculous. But I'm not going to change anything. What's up, Chilo? Found by searching Ride. Shows one person watching even though others are here. Yeah, like I said, I think I'm getting shadow banned. I'm pretty sure I'm shadow banned right now. But, yeah, dude, thanks for being here, Chilo. Don't think I've seen you here before, but welcome to the show. We're done with the show. But if you want, you can hit the replay. I talked about Ride earlier, so you can watch the playback. I did a technical analysis about Ride. Yeah. And if, please consider subscribing. I would appreciate that. Liking and subscribing. I'd appreciate that. But yeah, I'm quite sure I'm shadow banned right now. I can't prove it, but this is ridiculous. I am not getting promoted at all. So, can't do anything. I just got to keep pumping out the content, and eventually the problem will fix itself. I believe I was shadow banned one time before, and you can't do anything. You just got to keep pumping out content. So that's unfortunate. That sucks. Screw YouTube. But hey, like I said, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna say it's gonna moon when it's not. If it's going down, if I think it's going down, I'm gonna say it's going down. I'm sorry if I piss people off, but hey, I'm just telling the truth. Like, and then they get mad at me for being right. It's crazy. It's crazy. YouTube is the internet is crazy, and YouTube is crazy too. They have such a monopoly over this stuff, you know? They want, whoever they want to succeed, succeeds. If they don't want you to succeed, whatever. So, yeah, I think someone is, like, actively reporting me and disliking my stuff. Because, this makes no sense. This makes no sense. But, appreciate you guys. Loyal. Thank you for subscribing, Chilo. Really appreciate that. Thank you very much. And like I said, you know, if you came here for Lordstown Motors, if you came here for a ride, I talked about it earlier in the show. So if you want, I'm going to timestamp it pretty soon. But if you can just rewind, then I did a whole technical analysis on ride. So if you want, you can rewind, dude. But yeah, don't know what's going on with the channel right now. Pretty sure I'm shadow banned. Screw YouTube. Screw the haters. It's crazy. You know, all I want to do is tell the truth, and I'm right, and then I get hate for it, and then I get reported. It's amazing. But hey, that's how the internet works, I guess. You know, people don't share. If you don't tell people what they want to hear, if you don't give them confirmation bias, dislike. Dislike, report. It's crazy. It's crazy. Chilo, I can give you the summary right now. But I basically said I think it's going to pull back to 585 in the short term, and then longer term, this should go to the upside. So short term, bullish. I think it's going to pull back to 585 to fill the gap. There's a little gap here. See? 585. So I think it's going to come back to 585, fill that gap, and then longer term, this should run to the upside. If you hold long enough, it should come back up to 250 right here. Because there's a gap down here. Probably going to take a while, but, you know, yeah. I would say set your buy orders to 585, 580-ish. Really can't go too much lower. And eventually it should come back up to $22, $22.50, fill this gap here. So that's the short version, but if you want, you can watch the whole thing. I go through all the earnings, I go through the support and resistance, but yeah, that's the summary right there. Short-term bullish, short-term bearish, long-term bullish. So appreciate you, dude, for popping in and subscribing. All right, guys. So that is the show. Anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns? So yeah, really good show. You know, not too many people coming in because I'm shadow banned, but appreciate all you guys appreciate Busybone, appreciate Chilo for coming in at the end. So anything else, guys? You want me to look at any charts? Questions, comments, concerns? If not, we'll get out of here. All right, going once. Going twice. All right, I think that's it. Let's get out of here, guys. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on The Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.